And you have a little bit more than 1 month to file your income taxes, and the child tax care stimulus and tax care credits could have an impact.
Yeah, 13 on your side's Justin Bachman spoke with a local public accountant about making the most of your refund.
There have been a lot of questions leading into tax season, and we wanted to make sure we sat down with an expert to get them answered. So joining me today is Robert Roper, and we've gotten a lot of things changing over the past year with the pandemic. Going into April 15th, what do people need to know before they send their stuff in?
A consistent theme would be the stimulus payment. Most taxpayers have received a third stimulus payment, and they should have received a letter in the mail from the IRS. So you'd want to bring that in, or you'll supply that information on your tax return. And then a couple large themes for families would be the advanced child tax credit payments that were issued between July and December, and then the ability for child independent care credit to be refundable in 2021. That's a first time action by the IRS. So it's maybe new to people, and they should be aware of it. So make sure that you're bringing in all and any documents you've received from the IRS during the year so that you can properly report them on the tax returns, and corroborate the letters from the IRS with your bank records. They aren't always linking up, so we want to make sure that if you didn't receive your stimulus payment, you're able to claim the recovery rebate credit and then get a refund on your tax return for that portion.
If somebody doesn't know where they left a letter that they got, is there somewhere online they could go to find their documents?
Yes, there is a portal on the IRS. It's irs.gov. Search for account, and you can create a profile, and it would have the transcripts for your stimulus payments and your child tax credit payments as well.
With all of these changing things, we talk about the child tax credit. Obviously, having your forms is important. What is something that people may have forgotten about from the 2021 tax year that is important to remember when they go to file?
A number of people just simply don't remember receiving money or the amount of money that they received. And oftentimes they are caught by surprise with the amount that the IRS is showing. And so they simply need to look at their bank records and verify that they indeed did receive the amount of money that they were supposed to receive.
Those are great things for individuals to do. What about someone who owns a small business here in West Michigan? What do they need to know?
Yeah, in Michigan, the big news came in late December. Governor Whitmer passed a state and local tax workaround. It allows a pass-through entity, i.e. a partnership or an S corporation, to pay tax through the legal entity rather than passing the tax through and having it be capped on the individual's tax return. This will be effective for 2 years. It's an election you need to make. I would ask your tax professional, get tax advice on it if you think that you may benefit from this new law.